Hello my friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. So let's begin today's video with this beautiful Echeveria pulvinate ruby. And the second plant here is my syngonium or the arrowhead plant, and this is the strawberry ice, one of my plant which is very close to my heart. This is the strawberry ice, and this plant was there in my wish list for quite a long time before I could get it home. Yes, look at the leaves. Now this is the pulvinate ruby, Echeveria pulvinate ruby, which I have already shown you. I am showing you again because the leaves are turning ruby red. The more of sun, the more colorful it gets. Now another sun-loving plant is the Kalanchoe variegator, which is a succulent. Look at it. The more the sun, the more colorful it's going to get. And it is a beginner's friendly plant. If you forget to water it, the plant is not going to mind. It will just keep growing. This is the portion that gets a little bit less of direct sunlight. Now that's the bloom that it has given this year. See, and the best part about this Kalanchoe variegator is that it is very easy to propagate. Now this is my syngonium again. This is the pink one. This is available everywhere. It's not as costly as the previous one that I showed you, that is the strawberry ice, but I love this plant too. Now let me show you some of my tall plants. This is the Dracaena, which is doing extremely well. Look at the new leaves that it has given this season. And this is another plant, another favorite of mine. Look at the leaves. I just love them. If you have a big living space, you can keep these tall plants in one corner, and yes, it is going to elevate the beauty of your room. This is the plant. Actually, I forgot the name of this plant. Anyway, that's the Dracaena. Happy and beautiful always. Yes, this is the plant that has surprised me. I was taken aback when I saw white things poking here and there. Yes, those are the flowers. I was shocked to see my peace lily or the spathiphyllum giving out blooms this very early in the season, because as I had seen last year, it usually blooms during the monsoons, but this time it's end of March and here it is all ready to bloom. And this is another common syngonium of mine, the arrowhead plant. I just love it. These can be used as indoor plants. They look beautiful indoors. Now this is another plant which I rarely show you, and it is doing just wonderful. Look at it. It's quite pricky when we touch, but it's nice. Now it's the end of March. My geraniums are in bloom, although the size of the flowers have reduced considerably in a week because of the heat. But yes, I have to show you because my beauties are blooming. Look at it. But the size of the flowers have reduced, and it is going to get much smaller during the full summers. Now just the summers have set in, and right now they have started to give smaller flowers. This is the orange one. All my geraniums, I love them. Look at it. Now by now you all know which plant has been gifted to me by whom, so I am not mentioning that this time. Look at the buds. Oh my god. And look at the blooms. It's going to fit into your hand. A big ball of geranium. This is the orange one, bought from the flower show. If you haven't watched that video, do watch a visit to the flower show as well as the plant haul from the flower show held in the month of February. You know guys, I just love admiring the buds as well. Look at the huge ball of geranium. I feel sad to remove the stalk as well because some of the flowers are still blooming, so I let it be on the plant as long as it can be kept. Now this is another beauty. Look at it. This too, the flower size has diminished. This is the hybrid variety. You all know who has gifted me this particular plant. See, the flower got bruised because of the heat. That's why I have put a shade cloth for my geraniums. But the wind that blows is so hot, they are still getting scorched. Now this is also a geranium. You all know who has gifted me this. And look at it, how pretty, how pretty. Now this is another geranium which has given out a bud after resting for some time. And look at this pretty one again. This is another geranium plant. So my friends, I hope my flowers, my plants have been able to bring in a little bit of joy into your hearts as it has done into mine. Thank you for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.